Scientists use as much evidence as they can when they make claims. So would we be more certain of our claims if we knew how the rocks in the Grand Canyon formed? Yeah, we would. And so that's going to help us by helping us understand a little bit more about how the Vishnu schist formed or how the Dox sandstone formed. So to do that, we're going to use this evidence organizer, and we're going to, if you look here, you can see it's kind of tiny, but it says rock observation card, and then this says rock observation card, and then this final one here again says the same thing. And the second row, it says rock formation card, rock formation card, rock formations card, and then finally it says the Vishnu schist is an example of blank rock, the Zoroaster granite is an example of blank rock, and the Dox sandstone is an example of blank rock. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get your paper that you received here, and you're going to cut out the Vishnu schist observation, and you are going to tape that, or you can glue it right in where it says the Vishnu schist. You can put it right there. This is the rock observation card, so we want the rock observation card for the Vishnu schist to be here. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to look at your different rock formation cards. This is one, this is C. And you can see here that there's 3 different ones, and one of them says how this type of rock forms. So this one says how the rock formed. Some rock is first a different type of rock, then changes when it is put under extreme heat and pressure deep in the earth. And you can see that this type of rock, because of heat and pressure, then turns into this rock that's folded. And this is like a classic example of metamorphic rock. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take this one here, and you're going to decide of the 3 different rocks, the Vishnu schist, the Zoroaster granite, or the Dox sandstone, which one of these do you think is metamorphic rock? And you're going to tape that into the rock formation column. So it could be here, it could be here, or it could be here. So once you look at your rocks, decide which one you think is a metamorphic rock, and then you're going to write, so if you think that Vishnu schist is a metamorphic rock, you're going to place this here for how the rock formed, and then on this line you're going to write Vishnu schist is an example of metamorphic rock. And then you're going to do the same with the igneous and the sedimentary rock formation cards. All right, and at that point, you'll have the top 2 rows of this filled in with cards, and the third row filled in with your handwriting. You're either going to write metamorphic, igneous, or sedimentary based on what you think. Before you get to the next part, which is to read the geologic history of the Grand Canyon, take a moment to make sure that this top part is all filled in for part 2. All right, good luck.